Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and that's an Eldorado. 1976, and the top goes down. Now, the odometer's showing just under 29,000 miles, and this thing is long, black, and beautiful, man. 500 under the hood, looking sweet. As you look down the side, she is straight as an arrow. Tell you what, that black paint is looking slick. You can see all the chrome up front, also looking great. That chrome bumper, all the rubber on the bumper's in great shape. I mean, this baby's a 76 model, man. She is gorgeous. Long as can be. It'd take you a half hour to walk by this baby. She's absolutely beautiful. Then on the interior, we've got that white interior with the red piping looking sweet. Got the red dash in there. Let me pop open this great big old door. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous in there. Beautiful car. This thing will draw attention no matter where you go. She's gorgeous. Now that's the cover there for the convertible top once it's down in the back seat there. Now, if you go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com, you'll be able to see pictures of the car with the top up, the top down, however you want to run it. Of course, I think I'd put the top down on this baby and never put it back up. Looking sweet. All the extensions there on the quarters are looking sweet. Those are all plastic, and they're all in great shape. Let's see if I can find the keys to this thing and put them somewhere here in my pocket. Guess we're going to find the keys. Got them. I love these. Little door here. Open it up. Of course, it's got one of those electric latches there. There's the other half of the boot cover there also. You see everything. Look at that jack and lug wrench all looking brand new in there. She is one beautiful ride right here. Now on these trunks, all you got to do is latch it down, and then that screws it down nice and tight. You see that back bumper also looking sweet. Those bumper extensions looking great. The tail lights looking awesome. And then the black paint, man, look at the reflections in the black paint. Looking absolutely beautiful. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we put every car up on the lift and inspect it so that we can answer every one of your questions when you call Tom at 248-974-9513. And don't forget, he answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So you can give him a call on this car anytime you'd like. All right, guys, we're inside this Eldo now, and man, you want to talk about cool. This thing has got all the conveniences that 1976 would bring you. I tell you what, just looking sweet here. She is gorgeous. You can see we got the key tag here for you. We've got tilt column. We got all the controls. I mean, the dash is in beautiful shape. I mean, the carpeting looks great. What's so cool with these Eldos is no hump in here, baby. Plenty of room for your feet. And then we've got this white interior. So that's really cool in the convertible, so you don't have to worry about when you got the top down, the seats don't get hot. She's gorgeous, guys. And we can ship this baby anywhere in the world. You just call us at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you how easy that is to do. If you want help with financing, we can help you out with that too. So give us a call anytime, and we'd love for you to come visit us also. We're right outside the airport here and very close to downtown Detroit. So give us a call. We'll park this dream in your driveway. All right, we're underneath this baby now, and I tell you what, you want to talk about slick? Look at the chrome right down to the bottom edge, man. Looking sweet. Then you can see it's also got new exhaust on it. And this is normally where the rear end would be, but it's just a straight axle. This thing don't have no rear end in it. The rear end's up front with the transmission and the motor. Front wheel drive, baby. As you can see, the bottom side's nice and clean, nice and solid. Looking good. It does have an undercoating on it. So the exhaust is new from the cat back. Catalytic converter looks like it's original. Then of course we've got our turbo 425 transmission. So it's a 3-speed automatic. Then that 500 cubic inch motor up front here. Everything up here has been cleaned up and painted, looking good. Just a gorgeous car under here, man. Absolutely beautiful. You can see the chrome on the front bumper right down to the bottom edge, looking good. Then we got our Eldorado hubcaps here. These tires are 235/75 15s. See that beautiful black paint there? Take about a half hour to walk back here to the back tire. This thing is so long. We got 235/75 15s out back also. Let's lower this baby down and take a look under the hood. All right, under the hood here we got a date code correct 500 cubic inch power plant here, looking sweet. It's got a quadrajet 4-barrel on it. You can see everything's been painted up, looking good. It does have power brakes, of course. It does have air conditioning. Everything under here is nice and clean. You can see all the paint work. You can see the inner fenders are looking good. We got a battery shut off on the battery here. We've got a great big old cross-flow radiator there. Then of course a gigantic condenser there for the AC. I mean, everything about this car is amazing. You can see the bottom side of the hood's nice and clean. And man, this hood is gigantic on this thing. Tell you what, this thing take an hour and a half to turn around. It is so long, guys. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.